Alright guys, so here is my queen size bed frame, bed headboard. You can turn it on. It has 6 different lights: red, yellow, green, aqua, dark blue, and pink. It has a couple of different modes and things that you can do. So you press mode, that's the first mode. You can turn the speed up. You can turn the brightness down. Or you can turn the brightness all the way up. So far, so good. This is the remote that comes with it. The headboard itself has an outlet up here. The LED strip lights are under there. I did have a little bit of an issue here, as this was slightly too wide for my queen base, but I finessed it and like squeezed it in so it fits fine. But overall, this is the way that it looks.
I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get these in there or not, because they do not line up no matter what I do. But I'm going to try another go.